Hey there, tech fans! Are you ready to unlock your productivity and unleash your creativity like never before? I'm super excited to share with you today's review of the most epic laptop ever made, the ASUS ROG Zephyrus Duo. First off, let me tell you what makes this thing truly special. This ain't just any ordinary laptop, it's a dual-screen powerhouse that lets you multitask like a pro, whether you're gaming, streaming, coding, or presenting. The first thing you'll notice is the insane screen real estate. We're talking two 16-inch touch screens here, with a gorgeous 3K OLED ROG Nebula Display HDR that shines brighter than any other display on the market. This means you can keep all your tabs, content, and data front and center, no matter what you're working on. But what does it mean for you? Simply put, this means you can game, stream, code, read, or present in any environment, whether you're at home or on the go. Want to watch a video while chatting with friends online? This display lets you do just that. You've got more room to play games, create content, and multitask than ever before. Now, I know what you're thinking, okay, cool features and all, but how does it actually work? Well, let me tell you, the ROG Zephyrus Duo has 5 game-changing modes that will blow your mind. First, there's laptop mode, where this thing becomes a solid gaming laptop like any other. But then things get really interesting with dual-screen mode, book mode, and sharing mode. With these modes, you can seamlessly switch between multitasking, productivity, creativity, or even gaming, all on the same device. And for the ultimate two-person gaming experience, there's tent mode, because who doesn't love a good multiplayer session? Now, under the hood, this beast is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 9 386H processor with 16 cores. That's right, folks, we're talking serious performance here. Add to that an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU and you've got graphics that will make your eyes pop. But what does it all mean? In simple terms, this means you can play the latest games at max settings, enjoy smooth gameplay, and tackle demanding creative work without any hiccups. And with a whopping 32 GB of ultra-fast LPDDR5X memory and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, this thing is built for multitasking like a pro. And let's not forget about the build quality. CNC milled aluminum chassis that feels premium to the touch. Paired with stunning stellar gray colors and iconic slash lighting across the lid, you'll be the envy of every tech enthusiast around town. But here's the real kicker, the ROG Zephyrus Duo is built for on-the-go play and productivity. You can game anywhere, follow tips, stream content, or multitask more efficiently, all thanks to a detachable magnetic keyboard and dual Thunderbolt 4 ports that keep you connected wherever you go. And last but not least, the ROG Zephyrus Duo comes with an amazing bonus, 2 months of Xbox Game Pass Premium included. That's right, you can dive into thousands of games across multiple genres, all for free. So what do I think of this incredible laptop? Hands down, it's a game changer. The ROG Zephyrus Duo gives you the freedom to multitask anywhere and unleash your creativity like never before. Want to experience it all for yourself? Click the link below for the best price on this beast of a machine. Trust me, you won't regret it.